going to show you how the ATS 2000 transfer works and some of its features. So one feature it has is a self-leveling system. Once you put the stick in, it actually finds the level so it cuts straight. On this side over here I've got a safety lever catch so that it doesn't, you can't operate without purposely pushing the button. It has a blocker to hold the saw in the open position to make for easy loading, and now I'm going to cut it.